In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify theme without losing your content. Whether you want a fresh new design or better store functionality, switching themes on Shopify is actually very simple when done correctly. So, let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left side menu and click on Online Store. This is where all your theme settings and store design options are located. Inside the Themes section, you'll see your current live theme at the top. Below that, Shopify will also show recommended free themes and any themes you've added before. Now, browse through the available themes and choose the one you want to try. When you find a theme you like, click on Try Theme. This allows you to preview the new theme without affecting your live store. Once the preview opens, take some time to check your home page, product pages, collections, and navigation menus. Shopify normally keeps your products, pages, collections, and basic content safe during a theme change, but some custom layouts or theme-specific settings may need adjustments afterward. If you're happy with the new design, go ahead and click Publish. Shopify will ask you to confirm the change before making the theme live. After publishing the theme, review your store carefully to make sure everything looks correct on both desktop and mobile devices. You may also want to customize certain sections to better match your branding. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify theme without losing your important store content. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.